Course, IoT Top Courses, IoT Training by Tonex Training. Top 5 IoT, Internet of Things courses you should take. What is IoT? IoT is short for the Internet of Things. This drifting mechanical field associates devices to the Internet as well as gives clients constant investigation, cloud information stockpiling, platforms to break down gathered information in remote area trigger activities. The Internet of Things Training Course, IoT Training covers what the IoT is about, technology trends, arrangements and combination. Figure out how to function with structure-associated devices, sensors, computerization, arrange interconnection, framework security, cyber security, information investigation, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Envision a reality where everything in your life is associated: house, vehicle, electric piano, toaster, TV, PC, telephone, tablet, electric meter, alerts, coffee pot, lights, the puppy's neckline and your pacemaker. IoT Training Course participants will find out about the elements of the IoT markets, technology, trends, arranging, design and the assembly of platforms and administrations with a unique spotlight on the item design, engineering and usage. This is a major IoT course covering the advancements behind the Internet of Things and associated devices. List of top 5 IoT training courses, by Tonex Training. Number 1, Industrie 4.0 Training, Industrie 4.0 Crash Course, 2 days. Number 2, IoT Security Training, IoT Security Awareness, 2 days. Number 3, IoT Training Crash Course, 3 days. Number 4, LTE-M and NB-IoT Crash Course, 2 days. Number 5, the Internet of Things Training, IoT Training, 2 days. Industrie 4.0 Training. Price, $1,899. Length, 2 days. Industrie 4.0 Training Course covers key concepts of future smart factories, the cyber-physical systems and physical processes within these factories, and the virtualization techniques and intelligent decision-making capabilities which would support managers in leading these initiatives. Acquire data, tools and techniques to drive change and leverage Industrie 4.0 across your organization. Course modules. Demystifying Industrie 4.0. Leading Industrie 4.0. Leadership Industrie 4.0 capabilities. Key Industrie 4.0 technologies. Aligning Industrie 4.0 and strategies. The Automation Pyramid, new business models in Industrie 4.0. The building blocks of Industrie 4.0, cyber-physical systems. Industrie 4.0 and technologies. Industrie 4.0 design principles. Optional workshop, Tonex Industrie 4.0 Road. IoT Security Training, the Internet of Things Security. Price, $1,899. Length, 2 days. IoT Security Training covers the Internet of Things security and discusses IoT protocols, potential risks, vulnerabilities, exploitation, data breaches, security framework and mitigation. Other topics include authentication, web interface and software, transport encryption, management issues, privacy and security enhancements and other IoT issues observed for various manufacturers across all industry sectors. Learn about IoT Principles, the Internet of Things Overview. Principles for Connected Devices. IoT Design Principles, Principles of IoT Security. IoT Attack Areas, IoT Vulnerabilities. IoT Firmware Analysis, IoT Software Weaknesses. IoT Security Verification, Validation, and Testing. IoT Security Assessment on IoT Devices. Assessing IoT Devices Attack Surfaces. Evaluation of IoT Device Firmware Analysis and more. IoT Training Crash Course. Price, $2,999. Length, 3 days. The IoT Training Crash Course covers what the IoT is about, technology trends, deployments and convergence. Learn how to work with building connected devices, sensors, automation, network interconnection, system security, cyber security, data and analytics and more. Course content. What is the Internet of Things, IoT? Overview of IoT connectivity methods and technologies. Evaluation of IoT. LTE-M and NB-IoT Crash Course. Price, $2,999. Length, 2 days. Continuing education credits, 13 PhD. LTE-M and NB-IoT Crash Course is a customized LTE training that focuses on fundamentals of LTE access technology. The training course provides an in-depth overview of the various aspects of the new LTE-based radio, LTE-M connectivity and NB-IoT concepts optimized for IoT. Course agenda. Overview of basic 3GPP and LTE network terms. 3GPP network characteristics. LTE radio and backbone features. Overview of 3GPP, GSMA, E2T and ETSI references, 3GPP standardized IoT features. Overview of LPWA, comparison between LTE, NB-IoT, LTE-M. Overview of LTE-M features, LTE-M architecture. LTE-M cellular technology details, 5G systems and LTE-M design, implementation, operations and maintenance, O&M, roadmaps. The Internet of Things Training, IoT Training. Price, $1,999. Length, 2 days. The Internet of Things Training Course, IoT Training covers what the IoT is about, technology trends, deployments and convergence. Learn how to work with building connected devices, sensors, automation, network interconnection, system security, cyber security, data and analytics and more. This is a fundamental IoT course covering the technologies behind the Internet of Things and connected devices. Course content. What is the Internet of Things, IoT? Overview of IoT connectivity methods and technologies. Evaluation of IoT. It's innovative and flooding. As a result of its wide scope of uses, IoT technology is quickly being absorbed into the activities of organizations, associations and industry to build profitability and improve effectiveness. Specialists, business people, advertising professionals, producers, security faculty, planners and designers, pretty much everybody who works in an internet-related field needs to remain over IoT progressions. Tonex can assist you with that by offering courses that keep you current with IoT basics, trends and future projections. Request more information regarding IoT course, IoT top courses, IoT training. Visit Tonex training link.